Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following vehicle here. So now let's check and clean with me. I start cleaning from this one. How about this one, everybody? This is a nice airplane, cute airplane with green color. Okay, now check the next one. I shake it strongly in water. About this one, Mobil tanky. You can see a Mobil tanky with number 6. Another interesting item, another interesting vehicle, Mobil truck. A truck to collect trash, collect rubbish. Everybody, this is bulldozer. This is a bulldozer, a mini bulldozer. You can see. Now check the next one. Police car. Super car. A nice super car for everyone. About this one, express bus with red color. Very nice express bus. Very nice express bus. Mini monster truck. Now check the next mini bus, mini school bus, yellow color. Now check the next one. About this one, Mobil truck. Everybody, let's move to another truck with lot of vehicle here. Now check the first one, red super motorbike, police super motorbike. The next one, mini monster truck. Another one, everybody, mini airplane with yellow color. Mini airplane, yellow color. A truck. About this one, okay, need to shake it strongly in water. Mini excavator. This one, a mini excavator. Now check another one. Red racing car. Mini racing car. Red racing car. Yellow car. Number 3. Another one, everybody. Mini monster truck. Mini monster truck. Monster truck. The next one, a mini crane. You can see a mini crane here. A nice crane. About this one, super car. The next one, Hero Iron Man with a big hat. Hero Iron Man. Okay, everybody, let's move to another mini truck. So let's check with me. How about this one? Bulldozer, mini bulldozer, a cute bulldozer, right? After cute bulldozer, we can see a mini monster truck with white color. A cute crane, mini crane. About this one, supercar green color. Supercar green color. After we check a supercar green color, let's move to another mini truck. Okay, another mini truck here. Put some water so I can see excavator, mini excavator. Now check the next one. Cement mixer truck. Everybody, if you like my video, please write down, click the subscribe button, and drop me a big thumb up. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.